Hey there, health-conscious friends. It's another beautiful morning, and what better way to kick it off than with a nutritious breakfast? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple breakfasts for a healthy start. First up, we've got overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Pop it in the fridge overnight and wake up to a creamy, delicious bowl of goodness. Next, avocado toast. Spread some mashed avocado on whole grain toast, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon juice. For an extra protein kick, add a poached egg on top. Yummy and filling. Now let's talk smoothie bowls. Blend frozen berries, a banana, and some Greek yogurt. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. It's refreshing and packed with vitamins. How about chia pudding? Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, add some fresh mango or berries on top. It's like dessert for breakfast but super healthy. Finally, the classic scrambled eggs with vegetables. Whisk some eggs, sauté your favorite veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes, then mix them together. It's quick, easy, and loaded with nutrients. There you have it. 5 easy, healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Healthy Facts 101. See you next time.